Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to Learn With Me channel and with new video, which is complaining and apologizing. And let's start. So we're gonna start with complaining. If you want to make a complaint about something, we can say, I have a complaint to make. I am angry about. Excuse me, but. And finally, sorry to say this, but. Now guys, if you want to apologize to someone, you can say, it will never happen. Or, I apologize for that. Or, I am sorry. And finally, I was wrong. Can you forgive me? Examples. They served you bad in a restaurant, so you need to make a complaint. Excuse me, but this food is very bad. Now you need to apologize to your friend because you are late. I am sorry, it will never happen again. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. See you!